Meal. Happy Meal time. So guys, we're back on our way, and today I'm gonna be eating a Happy Meal. You know, I'm got good luck today because I ate pizza, chocolate milkshake too. What's up? Got me a chocolate milkshake, and I got a Happy Meal. See what toy I got. Hopefully I got like Batman or something. Hopefully it's like, okay, it is, what is this thing? What is this? Like a Peter Rabbit toy. I think it is, actually. I think it is. Yeah, this is actually a Peter Rabbit toy. I don't know why they would put a Peter Rabbit toy in the Justice League thing, but who cares? But it's in here. There's a lot of balls in here. That's what she said. Can we get this? Yep, it says Peter Rabbit right there. Why did they put Peter Rabbit toy in the Justice League? Happy Meal. Who cares about that? But I'll keep it. Tastes like ice cream. Get some chicken nuggets. Fries. You know what I do with this? I open a window. I go to the tallest place. See that one? There's a window at this hospital, and I'm real high up. So you know what I do with the barbecue? I throw it out the window. I throw it out the window. What? I threw. Why can I throw stuff? Why can I throw stuff? Throw it out the window. Well, I did it. Yeah. Already been done. Can't stop it. Already been done. Yay!
Scientists work hard. How hard? They're testing new Persil odor fighter. Great energy, Steve, to prove it not only removes tough stains, but tough odors too. Oh, new Persil odor fighter.
I'm gonna play some Fortnite when I get out here. That's a stupid place. Hurricane. Mom, there's chocolate under the white stuff. Yeah. Alright guys, yesterday I think I got Happy Meal. I got kids meal from Burger King, and they gave me a girl toy. So random comment wins, but a free girl toy. But it has to be a girl. But if a boy wants, they can give it. I don't know why they want it. Here it is. Yeah. Kind of, it's dumb. Like a sticky box with a huge face, a huge, ugly, stupid, bad face. Yeah, but it just came off. Yeah, you know what to do it. I think you can like put some stuff in here, maybe. Like, yeah, I think you can put stuff in here. You can roll her body in there. So that's how you gonna do it. But yeah, random comment wins free. So yeah. Still eating crust to a pizza. I don't know why. Chicken nugget. I'll put this on top of my head. So Popeye wasn't gonna come up here?
No, because he said now we're just about to be over in a few minutes. He said he was coming more.
Okay.
Give me a fry.
Comment below what your favorite Happy Meal toy is. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I don't know why, but I guess I'll keep this. Yeah. I'll keep it, I guess. I'll keep it. See what it does. It's weird. This thing I didn't do. See what it does here. It's a little hard to do. That was good. That was the best. This is local. Please like, guys, subscribe, comment below. Hit that little time, hit that bell. Bye, guys.